Number 10, Nexen. Shares of the Canadian energy company are set to open well in the green this morning after Canada approved CNOOC's $15 billion bid for the company. The company's market value has increased by 50% so far this year. Josh?
And number 9, Stmicro, Europe's biggest semiconductor manufacturer, selling its stake in the unprofitable wireless chip venture with Ericsson. Stmicro refocusing its business strategy amid weakening demand and competition from Asia. Matt?
Number 8 is Ingersoll Rand, the global diversified company planning to spin off its commercial and residential securities businesses within the next year. By the way, that's security, as in security guard. The company also plans to repurchase up to $2 billion of stock and boost its dividend by 30%. Betty?
Well, Matt, at number 7 is Beam. The Illinois-based producer of Jim Beam and Maker's Mark may receive bids as Japanese alcohol maker and London's Diageo both consider bids for the company, according to sources. Julie?
At number 6 is Groupon. It's been on a wild ride. We've been watching shares of the online coupon company. It got a 23% boost Friday on speculation that Google will make a takeover offer. The company's 75% loss of market value increases takeover attractiveness, according to some analysts, but others this morning are saying that speculation had no basis.
I've got a web giant here. Yahoo is number 5. It has teamed up with NBC Sports to share sports reporting and promotion as CEO Marissa Mayer looks to turn the company around. The former Google vice president is also changing Yahoo's strategy to closer resemble her former employers, according to All Things D. Betty?
Well, from an internet giant to an insurance giant, AIG is your number 4. The international insurance company is selling a majority of its stake of International Lease Finance to a group of Chinese investors for about $4.2 billion, recording a non-operational loss of $4.4 billion on the transaction. That is the aircraft leasing unit of AIG. Josh?
And number 3, Facebook. Shares of the social network are set to open lower today after Chief Operating Officer Sheryl Sandberg sold about 5% of her stake in the company. Sandberg sold the shares at about 3/4 of their initial price. Julie?
At number 2, we're watching Mickey D's. McDonald's, the world's largest fast food chain, getting a pop here, almost 2%. That's after reporting November sales that rose 2.4% globally on a comparable basis. That's well above what analysts have been anticipating. The store has been pushing its dollar menu to attract budget-conscious American shoppers.
And 2 stocks make it to your number 1. We're talking Apple and Google. The 2 tech giants are partnering up in an attempt to buy Kodak's patents out of bankruptcy, according to sources.